Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. My name is Phil. Today we are going to be building another model Chevrolet Impala SS 1961 409 cubic inches turbo fire V8 4-speed transmission dual exhaust. Authentic. It is a 125th scale assembly kit scale 2. Well, it's all right. I do enjoy it. I do enjoy a little challenge, and it is a age of 10 or plus. I don't say how it's a 10. I feel like this Mars only can be done within adults supervision. It is a name brand of AMT, of course, the typical name brand I prefer. And I did something different with the directions on the screen. If you guys are lost or confused, I just put them on the screen. It's only worth take like 5 seconds. And also, I'm gonna tell you, this model was already been built since I got it. It was my dad's. He did pass away. I feel very sad, but he left whole kinds of models left behind before he passed away. Um, he, I think he left that Dare Earnhardt that I did already finish. I will go ahead and then upload it to the channel. And there is another one. I do have a binder that I kept all of the directions and of course the uh picture, the box cover. I already done the two Deuce Hazard video that is obviously in my showcasing playlist. And right now I am looking. I'm gonna do the bulldozer, but that one there won't be done until he didn't rebuild it. He did got the bulldozer and he got the Goodrich Lumara stock car, the monograms on the Dale Earnhardt. He said number 3 NASCAR. That is two. And another one that I also want to upload if I can find it. I think it's the Star Trek that I'm probably going to finish it. I feel like he paid like what 60 some dollars or maybe $50. I don't know. I wasn't really with him, but he did pay a lot of money for models. Um, the next one I am going to go ahead and do all the cars, get them out of the way. So and go ahead and upload it. So I'm here to go ahead finishing the models. It is not easy. Sometimes I do have to think how am I gonna do this, but I do like well pretty much all of the models. Like AMT, I pretty much like them the most because they're not hard and they're not challenging. It teaches me to think, and I just want another thing is I just want to say thank you guys for giving me some tips. Um, I know I was using that red glue, and some people say no, use one of those the brush, and that's what I'll be doing. That's what I'm exactly be doing. I'll be learning to train myself how to, and you kind of use filing, and I did watch all the other YouTubers to see how they do it, and I can use their inspiration as the references. And I think some of them I might comment on their page. I'm not I don't technically comment at all. I just I do like it. I just give a like. Just like what you guys should do right now. If you guys like this type of videos, hit the like button and then and subscribe. If you want to see more, this channel is pretty much gaming and showcasing. It's I kind of do both. And in the future, Bill, I am trying to do Farmer Simulator, the Farmer Simulator 2022 game series, and I can't wait because my buddy Evan, he's going to upload all those mods, and he is going to be the one that plan and set up the farm, and also set up the trucks and set up the missions for both of us can actually enjoy, and for you guys to enjoy too. Sometimes we might do farm, most of the time we do landscaping and plowing, and enjoy the rest of the showcasing, and we'll start now.